Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, member of the press and media. In spite of bad weather, thanks for joining us. I'm very proud to share with you that Star Promotion is the international promoter for the play Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, starring Mr. Anupam Kher, Neena Gupta, Rakesh Bedi. Mr. Kher's visit to Houston is very special to me. He's not only a fine actor, but now he's very well-known motivational speaker around the world. Fine human being and a very fine friend. Thank you so much, Kher sahab.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please get set to welcome the most admired actor of Hindi cinema, Mr. Anupam Kher.
और कितनी बार एक दूसरे का हाथ थामे उसी सूरज को चांदनी चौक के बाजार के पार डूबते देखा. They said that in spite of the fact that it's pouring outside, you still decided to come here. It can't be only for Rajendra, I'm sure you have come for me also. Thank you for coming. I understand since yesterday his BP had been going up, down. So I said, calm down, God is on our side, and so is the press. And, well, I am coming to Houston only to promote our play, to be very straight about it. Because our tour of our play starts on the 7th of August, right from this city. It's a 2-month tour. We plan to travel all over the North American cities. In the last 31 years that I have been in movies, I have done about 491 films. And more than 3 plays. It took me 3 decades to do 3 plays. I have brought the earlier 2 plays. First play was with Kiran, my wife, Salgira, which we toured with Rajendra again. Then I brought my second play, which was my autobiography on stage, called Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai. Isko lita do beta? Chalega aise? Sure. Aisa lag raha hai ki mere aankh mein bhi jayega. And now, the play Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha. The first play dealt with after divorce, husband and wife planning to come together. Second play Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai was about failure, optimism, success, my life. But even in my life, people saw the glimpses of their lives. This play is very special. First of all, it is written originally for us by Rakesh Bedi. 4 years back, Rakesh Bedi ji and I were traveling in Kulu Manali doing a shooting together. And I have been wanting to do a play because Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai kiye hue mujhe 10 saal ho gaye the and I wanted to do something special, something new. So he said, "Kher sahab, ek idea hai." मैंने कहा सुनाओ. मैंने कहा प्ले का नाम क्या है? तो कहता जी मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था. मैंने कहा मैं बिना सुने कह रहा हूँ मैं ये प्ले करूँगा. क्योंकि हम जिंदगी में जो मर्द लोग हैं वो अपनी लाइफ में बहुत बार अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड्स को, अपनी बीवियों को, अपने बच्चों तक भी को भी ये बोलते हैं मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था. पूरी जिंदगी हम कभी ये नहीं बोलते थे वो क्या मतलब था, वो क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं. So I liked it. I liked the idea of it. And the play, when he narrated me the play, I remember that I told him that let's just narrate me in 15 minutes what is the story. But I said, no, you read it out to me, and I stuck to the play, and after 2 hours, I was completely appalled. Appalled in the sense that मैंने ये पहले क्यों नहीं दिमाग में आया. But it took me 4 years to actually put it together because I needed an actress. First I wanted to do this play with Kiran, but Kiran became, fortunately and unfortunately for the play, Member of Parliament. So she could not be part of the thing. Then I was looking for an actress who will who will do the justice to the role of the lady in the play. And then the dates were haywire, and finally I put a deadline to myself by the beginning of this year कि कुछ भी हो जाए मैं ये play करने वाला हूँ. So I took Rakesh Bedi and Neena Gupta everywhere I was shooting out of Bombay. They will travel with me, we will rehearse in the aircraft, we will rehearse in the hotels. The play is about how two people at the age of 25, 23 were about to get married in Delhi, in Chandni Chowk. And the woman waits for the husband, the bridegroom to come, and he does not turn up. And now 35 years have passed, and the woman has decided to go out of India, but she wants to come and ask him, why did you not come to the wedding? And how then for the next 2 hours, whole things unfolds, what happened in his life, what happened in her life, etc., etc. It has amazing lines, it has amazing laughter, sadness, and all those characters who appear in the film will also appear in the play, will also appear in the play, which Rajendra ji did not take names of. The film what we have done is the first time in India, a juxtaposition of theatre and film. So all the flashbacks of the play will be shot in cinema. And I'm very fortunate that it's shot by the director of Special Chappis, Wednesday, Baby, Neeraj Pandey, my friend. He shot the flashback. So when these people are talking about their past, we go into the flashbacks. And in the flashback, the character that we have chosen, the highlight of the play is Satish Kaushik, who appears only on screen, Himani Shivpuri, Anjan Srivastav, and these are the people who will be appearing. I was very skeptical before the play because 10 साल बाद मैं नया play कर रहा था, मुझे अकेले play करने की आदत थी. But हमारा पहला show, and I decided that I will have the first show on a landmark birthday of mine. Usually, these days men also don't reveal their ages. Women तो बिचारी नहीं करती थी कभी पर. So I said, let me, 7th March is my landmark 60th birthday. Instead of people... मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आपने तालियां इसलिए बजाई कि मैं लगता नहीं हूँ, है ना? So बिल्कुल नहीं लगता. और तो मैंने कहा instead of everybody having a party etc., let me put my life onto a pressure situation where the first play after 10 years on my landmark day will be the first premiere show of this play. And let me invite all my friends. तो stress रहेगा मुझे और लोग ये नहीं पूछेंगे कितने साल की हो गई जी, कितने, because कहेंगे play कब है, शाम को है, कब है ये. Then Rajendra called me up. Rajendra को already मैं कुछ भी करता हूँ तो ये हमेशा, I know you people call him Raj, but for me Rajendra is always Rajendra Raj. So I called him. He said, "के साहब आप कर लो, मैं तो play लेके आ ही रहा हूँ." तो मैंने इनसे कहा, यार आप बेवकूफाना बातों के लिए बॉम्बे चले जाते हैं, चंडीगढ़ चले जाते हैं, दिल्ली चले जाते हैं, किसी को मिलना है, आपका काम है ये प्ले लेकर आपको इधर ह्यूस्टन आना है, इसके लिए आप कह रहे हैं मैं आप कर लो, मैं आ जाऊंगा, मैं देख लूंगा बाद में. So he took my hint and next day he took a flight and landed on the day of the show there. But the phenomenal response that we got was very, very exciting for us. Then thank you sir. Then we decided to do more plays, and the best part of this play is that we have done 11 shows in India in 2 months so far, and till today we have not opened the booking window. The play gets sold only on internet itself. Then we tried the international audiences. We went to Singapore with the play, and also over there was the same case. I think what is the beauty of the play, and especially for the people who live outside India, is that it is nostalgic, it's romantic, it makes you feel happy, it makes you feel sad, and it can be anybody's life. We actually do not forget our first love. वो फिर बाद में अलग बात है कि शादी हो जाती है, बच्चे हो जाते हैं, तो उसको भूल जाना पड़ता है। मगर imagine that if you meet a person in a 10th standard who you liked after, everybody does not look like Neena Gupta and Anupam Kher after 35 years. But it's a beautifully written play. बहुत अच्छे उसमें डायलॉग्स हैं। नीना गुप्ता तो इनफैक्ट डबल रोल करती है, एक मुस्लिम लेडी का, एक हमारे हिंदू लेडी का। I don't want to tell you much about the, वो कहता है कि बहुत अच्छी बातें कहती मुझे तो सब कुछ याद है। तो बाद में जब शुरू में मिलते हैं तो वो कहती है कि मैंने तो 35 साल पहले उसके बाद कोई पिक्चर ही नहीं देखी। क्यों? कहती एक दूसरे के लिए देखी तो तुम्हारे साथ, वैसे उसके बाद कोई पिक्चर नहीं देखी। कहती हाँ नहीं, वो घर से भाग कर छुप कर माँ बाप से छुप कर ऐसे नहीं देखी है। तो कहता है कि एक बार फिर चलें, तो शी सेज नहीं मुझे गोलचा में पिक्चर नहीं देखनी, वहाँ बहुत खटपल होते हैं। कहती मगर गोलचा के बाहर वो चने भटूरे वाला याद है, 50 पैसे में 2 भटूरे और इतने सारे कुलचे छोले देता है। कहती देता है नहीं, देता था। तो फिर वो कहता है, दोबारा उसको बोलता है कि चलो ना चलते हैं। कहता तुम्हें इतने सारी गोलचा की खटपल अभी तक कैसे याद है? कहती मुझे तो सब कुछ याद है। वो फिर मेरा जवाब होता है कि चलो इतिहास के पन्ने इतने पीले पड़ चुके हैं, इन्हें इतना ना पलटो कि फट जाएं। तो the whole play is on a very delicate nuances, laughter. You can laugh as much as you have tears in your eyes. And this play needs to be shared. Why I choose Houston for the play? Because the Houston features in the play. हमने डिसाइड नहीं करता। जब मैंने राजेंद्र जी को प्ले पढ़ के सुनाया हमारे राइटर ने, तो उसमें ह्यूस्टन आया तो इनको लगा कि ये मेरे दोस्त ने ह्यूस्टन डलवा दिया है। मैंने नहीं डलवाया था, वो ऑलरेडी था। कहानी ऐसी है कि उनका बेटा जो है वो ह्यूस्टन में पढ़ने जाता है। और जो सो इट्स अ प्ले, आई एम श्योर लॉट ऑफ प्लेस कम हियर, lot of musical programs come here, lot of star programs come here. But first of all, it gives me a great opportunity as an actor to meet my audiences face to face. It's a great joy to meet them, see their love, see their affection, see their warmth. That's a great thing. And also the joy of theatre cannot be replaced by cinema, because live audience, there is no retake. There is no possibility of चलो दोबारा कर लेते हैं. It has to be on the spot. And today I have come specially. I was supposed to go from Vancouver to Chicago because I'm here on a program. But I said I must come here and give this play and the people of Houston the respect that they deserve and the play deserves by requesting you to come as much in numbers. In a brief, it can be called a marketing deal, but it's much more than that. It's about our relationships, it's about togetherness, it's about love, it's about passion. And through media, I am very hopeful that this signal will go out. अगर आपको मेरे दोनों प्ले पहले पसंद आए हैं, जो मुझे उम्मीद है, तो this is going to be the ultimate play in terms of enjoyment, in terms of learning, in terms of nostalgia, with a great cast and with a great music is very good and a great story. So that is in brief what I wanted to tell you people. And since this is the only press conference we are going to do, I'm not going to other cities. I will request my friends from media to send whatever material they can send to other centers. It's important in today's time, it's very important to tell other people also, because I'm sure सवाल डरने का नहीं है कि बाकी प्ले आ रहे हैं, बट हम सबसे अच्छे हैं, तो ये बात सब तक पहुंचाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो मेरी गुजारिश रहेगी, मेरी ख्वाहिश है कि आप लोग और अपने जो आपके दोस्त हैं, आजकल सोशल मीडिया है, फेसबुक है, ट्विटर है, ट्विटर पे मुझे कितने लोगों के मैसेजेस आते हैं सिंगापुर में मैंने किया था कि मेरे इस सवाल का जवाब 4 लोग जो देंगे वो मेरे गेस्ट होंगे ट्विटर पे। तो काफ़ी लोगों ने जवाब दे दिए मगर वी चोज, तो आई एम गोइंग टू डू दैट इन एवरी सिटी, so that on Twitter, if some, I just put it like that, would describe happiness. So everybody's definition, the definition of happiness, whose I like, those 4 will be my free guests. They will get free passes to see the play. But apart from that, it's very important to cinema is basically an ambassador of between India and people abroad. तो अभी सिनेमा की जगह हम खुद आए हैं तो और भी अच्छी बात है, और आप लोगों से मिलने का मौका मिला है, और हो सकता है कि इस फिल्म को देखने के बाद हस्बैंड जो हैं वो कोशिश करेंगे अपनी बीवी को ये नहीं बोलने की कि मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था, ऐसा मेरा कहना है। थैंक यू सो मच। If anybody has any questions, I'll be. Is that what you were about to say?
That is what I was going to say, and maybe I can start with the question.
Yes, of course.
But this is now question answer time, and all of you, first of all, again, second of all, thank you for being here on a day like this, and we're really excited about your presence, and we thank you. Question answer अभी शुरू हो जाएगा, और आप एक जन try to be brief so that सबको मौका मिल जाए। That's all. अनुपम जी, आपसे जब भी आपको देखो, मिलो, बात करो, पता नहीं क्यों मुझे ऐसा महसूस होता है कि between films and theatre, your first love is theatre, and you are more passionate about that. Am I right or wrong?
Absolutely right, because I started my career as a theatre actor. I did a training of 4 years in drama school. If I have survived these 31 years in this industry, which is not very kind to you necessarily, which is very difficult, I have survived only because I am from theatre. Also, theatre करने से आप कितने बुरे एक्टर हैं इसका भी पता चल जाता है। आप कितने, और आपके एक्टर के को कहीं अगर जंग लग गया है तो वो जंग भी साफ हो जाता है। Certainly, theatre is. I'm very lucky to have in films also done their variety of roles, from Saransh to Karma to Khosla Ka Khosla to मैंने गांधी को नहीं मारा. But still, I feel theatre gives me great joy. So it is, if not my first love, certainly second love.
After killing.
Not necessarily in that order.
And also, you're running a very premier acting school in Mumbai. My question to you is simply that all the students there, do they ever get a chance to experience direct teaching from you?
I only teach myself. Whenever I'm in Bombay, it's me who teaches them. There is no. Look, I opened a school not as a retired acting person. I opened the school, and I'm personally there. I teach myself because I love. Why I said my first love was not acting, is teaching. So the first love between acting and cinema and this thing is my first love is teaching. I love teaching. Strangely, जब आप acting subject सिखाते हैं, तो आपको खुद के कितना आपको आता है इसका एहसास होता है। आप अलजेब्रा या केमिस्ट्री या हिस्ट्री सिखाते तो रोज वही, वो चेंज नहीं हुआ है। हिस्ट्री ऑफ वर्ल्ड हैज नॉट चेंज्ड, बट एक्टिंग ओवर द past so many months, so many years has changed. Right from Saransh to Sense8, right now my series Sense8 is going on Netflix. It has changed. Whether I'm working with Wachowskis or whether I'm working with Woody Allen or whether I'm working with David O. Russell or Gurinder Chadha, उनके स्टाइल से मेरे को फर्क पड़ता है और मेरी वजह से फिर मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को फर्क पड़ता है। और हमने जो पहला ट्रायल शो किया था इस प्ले का, कुछ भी हो सकता है, वो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ही किया था और उनको पहले से भी बोल दिया गया था कि ताली कहीं नहीं मारना।
अच्छा।
वरना तो टीचर एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं तो ताली तो हर जगह पड़ती है। उससे मुझे किस्सा याद आया, मैं आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ। मैं जब 20-22 साल का था तो मैंने आर्मी वालों के लिए एक प्ले किया था शिमला में, बर्फ की मीनार, उस प्ले का नाम था, कॉमेडी थी। तो फाइनल शो था जो आर्मी ऑफिसर्स के लिए था, उससे पहले वाला जो शो था वो सिर्फ जवानों के लिए था। जवान कॉमेडी शुरू हो गई, और जवान प्ले देख रहे हैं अपने सीनियर्स का, और कोई हंसी नहीं रहा है बिकॉज उनको इंस्ट्रक्शंस नहीं दिए गए हैं, तो हम ऐसे बैठ के प्ले देख रहे हैं, कॉमेडी पे कॉमेडी हो जा रही है, एक एक पंच निकलता जा रहा है, कोई हंसी नहीं रहा है। तो मैं ब्रिगेडियर गुप्ता के पास गया, मैंने कहा सर ये कॉमेडी है, आप थोड़ा मैसेज तो भिजवा दीजिए अपने जवानों को भी थोड़ा हंसे। तो मैसेज पहुंच गया, फिर पर्दा उठा नहीं सेकंड हाफ का, उससे पहले लाफ्टर आने शुरू हो गए। उसके बाद क्या हुआ कि वो रैंक के हिसाब से हंसने लगे। अगर कैप्टन का जोक है तो कम हंसते थे, कर्नल का जोक है ज्यादा हंसते थे, जनरल साहब पूरी एक्टिंग करे तो और ज्यादा हंसते थे। सो आई थिंक एज अ टीचर I get great joy. I get a lot of students from America. One of the girls recently is doing a film which is apart from Deepika from our school. Teaching is my great passion, and the best thing that I could do in my 31 years of career is to open an acting school.
Wonderful.
Imparting knowledge is the most satisfying feel.
Okay, and now friends, the floor is yours. So please do state your name and the channel or the newspaper that you represent, and your questions for Mr. Anupam K.
Namaste, welcome to Houston. Manisha Gandhi, TV Asia. What is your favorite part of the script of Mera Woman Kasar?
There are plenty of beautiful portions that there is, but in the second half, when he tells his own story to Neena Gupta's character called Hema Roy, it's a visit to America to meet his son. He and his wife go and meet his son, and what happens to them over here. There's a huge, long soliloquy. I think that is a very beautiful moment. Unfortunately, I can't reveal, but also the awkwardness which creates laughter, because शादी होने वाली थी, इतने मोहब्बत थी उसमें कि वो एक दूसरे को अच्छी तरह जानते थे। तो अभी वो शादी हो गई है, अभी वो जब भी नज़दीक आके बैठती है तो कहती है यहाँ मत बैठो, दूर बैठो, यहाँ मोहल्ले वाले मुझे देख रहे हैं। तो कहती तब तो जब तुम चांदनी चौक के पीछे गलियों में थे तब तो चिपक चिपक के बैठते, तब मोहल्ले वाले नहीं देखते थे। फिर एक और उसका सीक्वेंस है जहाँ पर वो, अब यहाँ तो नहीं हो सकता, यहाँ तो जेल में भेज देंगे, बट शिमला में या छोटे शहरों में यूजुअली हनीमून कपल्स के आमतौर पर हम लोग लड़के जो शरारती होते थे वो रोशन दांत से अंदर देखते थे और कमेंट्री देते थे बाकी दोस्तों को। तो आप लोगों ने सबने किया होगा 100% किया। तो वो पोर्शन बहुत अच्छा है। द एंड इज ब्यूटीफुल। बहुत अच्छी एक लाइन है कि याद करने पर बीता हुआ सुख भी दुखी देता है। याद करने पर बीता हुआ सुख भी दुख ही देता है। So I think there are some amazing portions. As I said that this is a juxtaposition. This is a juxtaposition of cinema and theatre together. This is the first time it is done in theatre in India. So you will be at the same time watching a play, and within the play you will watch a film. So those are the beautiful moments of नीना का एक बहुत अच्छा डायलॉग है कि शुरुआत में अंत में हम एक जैसे ही होते हैं। That means at the time of birth and at the time of death हम सब एक जैसे ही होते हैं। ये बीच में ही कहीं हमारे दिमाग खराब हो जाते हैं। तो वो बहुत अच्छी खूबसूरत है। राकेश बेदी ने बहुत अच्छा लिखा है।
Next.